Akosia Sewa Fusu Obe Weni appeal. And I'll tell you why. And the most beautiful thing is that German observers are going to be at the appeal to observe. But yin certificate and your will be ampa. This time with the appeal, she's come prepared.
Achao Eddie Oba Fidiamuha. Yamame Akosia Sewa Asemi de any lumba semi sebe. And one a debia chicken as Serena Bassa Sanse said the debia casabo for any the enam ehua pasuntis ansemi and ehua paso. In some inamui yenia babia or Germany or non so your lawyer Nikesie. Adding Sembi Atuja says say Yamamia Kosia Sewa or Babaye a pina or den kratasem akono. Wa utama Mia Kosia Sewa Echibiano mensuru memma yemisho. Sanse say dear near mabia daddy. Se apina mamia Kosia Sewa eyeno nkunimdie ebeyene dia na okire nse musa die nti ena mani timi kire a mramu mani hunu se nkunimdie beye mamia Kosia Sewa de okire se asem na edikan a mamia Kosia Sewa de court no court ankire se ebia mamia Kosia Sewa kora at Germany more than 7 years ansana oba Ghana na asesa but court no digina so se Mamia Kosia Sewa ne marriage certificate no enya original on jinni na omunyina aso nim se Mamia Kosia Sewa o marriage certificate no bi enti niam bia ehia no Mamia Kosia Sewa aboa no ho a omde ba na ni nyina mu no osan katua ato se saabire api a ye kwa akoye no api we nye se ebeye nkokwasa Germany mpanyimfo ebetu adehye ama omo abamu bi na yenda nyame asimpo se Mamia Kosia Sewa okura German passport na ba se na nka Mamia Kosia Sewa ne nkratasem eye Ghana nko ade a ka ne ye be ne se fie ne school ka ade be kina dansi ho na nipa nim
Ghana for I'm so filled with joy. When am I the crow? Akosia Sewa Fusu Obe Weni appeal. And I'll tell you why. The court case now in November 2025 now, she lost the court case now. Please, it was a loss. It's not a win. Because she's the only wife of Lumba, not one of the wives. That is why she lost the case. The only reason why I obey Winnie case no, a judge's decision will make it set on your no. The only reason why you can't say the ordinance no ending is the fact you see when to me improving. And yet the fact say the distance between the Lumba and Omu claim say 17 years versus 7 years. So 7 years somebody 10 years akahono. Because 2018 was Lumba can send the Union Akosia Sewa to 2025 year court case no, that makes it 7 years no. If the judge can say ordinance certificate no you two but omuntematiti ha chenti maybe I worry be any hobioma that would have been more painful. An appeal would have been more difficult. But the beauty of this is judge the certificate no pet and it was in question. But yin certificate no yema no be ampa. This time with the appeal, she's come prepared. With all the things they found fault with the previous one. And I sometimes say oye e kufufro suni there were a lot of benefits. Just imagine say your Mamia Kosia Sewa only German citizenship. Nanka oye Ghana ni na oni or Ghana citizenship na onye on free Germany no ni German passport. Na kasewe kubidi nkuku poto. Because marriage certificate can be yira am a booklet in that registry office the cross yira. The whole year ni know worry ni na ni can be yira. Ke jabe to ho amashi. That is Ghana.
We nyina mui madami ekasa ya kire mu se sebe niema bi etimi koso wo Ghana na eye animguase emfata kaniba nanso eya sede ono nso ni nchifiri Ghana ni ntino emfata se animguase kora na yebeye ama Ghana animaguase sanse mpemfo ka asem bi se animguase kan konkonta ebi kan kunuma enti se bibi wo na se Ghana anim kogu ase a onam kora na ono nso ye Ghana ni enti wo kire mu esi so se Germany fo na ankasa no omo mfa omo citizens endi agro na yen Ghana fo no ye badwene se pa maame akosua se wa eye tuntum ni enti no onye Germany ni da bi at the moment ya wokura German passport no de oni Germany buruni eye pe se asem bi si Ghana se siai na ye se ye ba be fa Germany fo a maame akosua se wa ye fa na kobi ana se siai ya ba Ghana yi German split a wo Ghana no tambia ohwe se maame akosua se wa ne ho ye bibi to no ne ho tukima sanse odobronyi e wo Ghana yi ye Ghana police fo a omo guide odobronyi nti saa nso na maame akosua se wa ba Ghana no German embassy wo Ghana no odwene maame akosua se wa ho nti obi bia anka na koma nto no yem na we no enkoye hwete zem etese first de no yenua bai e de nsem bebire egu ho.
You know, sometimes Ghana you say be Ghana anymore, but the fact is Germans almost citizens who grow, including Akosua Sewafosu. My dear, the trauma this woman has gone through, the threats to her life. Odobroni, it was security in Ghana. Do you think Akosua Sewa is not being protected by her consulate in Ghana? Oh, yes. They may call in all the time to check up on her, to make sure she's safe. They've given her all the safety measures. All threats to her life will be taken seriously because you're a German citizen. She's just like a German or Brunei or Ghana, just that or a Ghanaian. What for something the German government wouldn't take this seriously? You must be joking. Since you BBS were Ghana near evacuate Germans, I had never come with an aqua. But more German, I'm to Germany, no more Ghana holidays, some Ghana passport will remain in Ghana, evacuate you. She's safe. And the most beautiful thing is that German observers are going to be at the appeal to observe, to support their citizen. Akosua Sewa has got all the help, psychologically, everything that she needs from Germany. Do you know how this is beautiful? This trial was meant to go this way. I mean, believe in spiritual, so that we would see, Ghanaians have to learn to look after their own.
Anomabi any nusu or say ye said the painful kind and Tiania by so a chile which say. Yenina Yanshe, the Germany, ebeye ni nipa ma Akusia sewa, said the Germany, Ediahum Keka, ebe tama Akusia se wechi. Yenua by chile and say muse. Se mira ye besia kodi asemi ya pia ye koyeno. Germany ebeyi anim difo, padie hunfo, ama omaba, abesi Germany for anemu. No omaba abe chilemu ama Ghana court ate asese. Certificate na ekura ma Akusia sewa no enye fake. Sabe Germany entesa Ghana obi atim kofa krata ba bi fake krata.
Yefi the Germany be your munipa. She will win the court case hands down. German experts will come and explain their certificate if Ghana has doubt. This time they would come to explain. This time it's going to be clean. It's going to be documented. Ghana will not jeopardize any diplomatic relationship with Germany. Ghana citizens as well Germany, they need similar services for her. The same thing now, because it's our Ghana. No? Daddy Lumba had a long stay in Ghana. And I think said Daddy Lumba, and yet Germany cleared to say that you're telling on the baby. Anyway, that's a story for another day. But Akosua Sewafosu is safe. Team Legal Wives, you be winning court case now. And at Team Legal Wives, and yet a year no more is for everybody, man, woman who believes in the truth.
Asem na yenua bai wakane o. Team Legal Wife no enkyere sebe obi a waware nko a. Ana sebe asem wo ho wa ohunu se eye nokore. Ese wota akire ade na maame Akosua Sewa eye no. De ma ye nyina ye timi bo akire dom ne se. Ye nyina ye wa aburukire hampo. mmaa dodoɔ sɛn ɛna betumi anya gyidie sɛ ɔboa ɔbɛrima ase mmaa dodoɔ sɛn ɛna sɛbe anaa mmarima dodoɔ sɛn na ɛkɔpie mu wɔ Germany a ɔmutumi ɔbaa etimi hyia no ɛboa ne sɛn sɛbe awaregya yɛ bebree ne tiba so ɛwɔ aburukyire ha ni nyinaa efiri ebi ankratasɛm anaa sikasɛm nanso ohwɛ maame yi a ɔno mmom kura ɔyɛ ɔbaa no ɔno mmom ɛna support Daddy Lumba sɛ maame wohwɛ mpo na wohunu sɛ wohunu sɛ ne nneɛma ɛna asɛ nka ɔyɛ nipa bɔnefo a hwɛ mmerɛ tenten Daddy Lumba ɛde kɔɔ Ghana yi ɔbaa bia nka ɔbɛsesa Daddy Lumba mfidie na ɔtɔɔyɛ a egu ɔno sɛ maame no ne tɔ maa no sɛ yɛ Lumba na ne tɔɔ na de o enka wahunu sɛ Daddy Lumba ɛne odobro ne te Ghana ɔmo awo no menua baa menua bɛɛma ɛyɛ obia nka ɔbɛsesa mfidie ne nyinaa to agu nti sɛbe sɛ wanya bibia ma wase kora yɛbɔ no koro no deɛ maame ayɛ nyinaa sɛ yɛnyi na yɛmpa adɛnti na yɛbɛsɛ ne dini enti woyɛ barima akora yɛ sɛ barima bi a wadwene mu da hɔ no watu kwan no ɛsɛ wobɔ maame akosua sɛ wa akidom sanse yɛnyɛ yɛtu kwan aba aburukyire mpoi sɛ obia timi nya ɔba ɔdwene barima ho na ɔsupport no ɛte sɛ maame akosua sɛ wa menua wani da hɔ a bibia ni wa ɛnkyerɛ sɛ wabrabɔ ɛnkɔyie ɛno nti ɛna obia a wɔgye nokore di no ɔta maame akosua sɛ wa akyi Nyankopɔn hyira no de ɔyɛɛ no nyame ɛma ne nkunim sɛde yɛ nyinaa yɛpɛ no abusua yɛnkɔ ne yɛnkɔhwɛ enua bai ne nsɛm no nsan ka ho
de me kan ne sɛ enka Lumba mpe akosua sɛ wa bi nkonko gyan because we won't be here akosua sɛ wa fosu I wish you all the luck but you don't need it because I know you would win. The first one they thought it was easy, but the fight is on, tooth and nail. Thank you. Please never give up. Do this for us. Stand in for us. You're the Yasantua of our time. The calmest Yasantua. You are unwavering. People can't see, but you're not shaky. You're cool and collected. Thank you.
Yana nanom ewo kasa bebuo bi se baabi adaye ekoso ya ni pitiri adenti na ya nanom eka saa nsem no o da se woni te na che se daye no asa eninti na yana nanom ka se baabi adaye ekoso ya ni pitiri enti nsem nyina ya kire mu baabi a ebekọ akoso ani pitiri na che se yenu ya ba na wie ne de enti abusua enne no first time a wo hwe me ya mesere wo se obetuma subscribe ama me na obe like na obe twere comment se sebe me nso me na mu na menya video no bi ba wonso no ubenya bi ahwe medase se wo se wo data na wo bo makidom uni hɔ a me nso me ni hɔ Nyankopɔn hyira ye nyina ye wa ha se maame akosua se wa no kore beda adi na obedi nkunim sanse maame no se ye ntan hia no so nipa uyi ma 100 gina hɔ a ebi kura abeye mienu pɛ ene betimi approve maame no suban no hwɛ mere tentene ya one Lumba nsɛm nyina ye ntena no kasa eye oba bi anka abete che enti maame akosua sɛ wa mitu kyɛma wo nyame nhyira wo nyame nti ubedi nkunim